Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for Bitcoin. However, before we start, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. The weekly time frame, support and resistance, especially the resistance levels above us, are the same, and we need to claim those levels as I mentioned in the previous videos. However, if we're going to look at the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, already strong support that we followed, this support, and we had other support and resistance levels that we followed over 5 months. However, this support is still intact, but it is at the moment, it is acting as a resistance. So as you can see, nearly from the lower line of this strong support, which is acting as a resistance, and we're getting a rejection so far based on a lower time frame. But based on a daily time frame, as I mentioned in the previous videos, without claiming in the first place $33,000, ideally to get a bullish scenario, that we have to claim 37,500 levels. Without claiming this resistance, it is going to be so early to talk about the trend change based on a daily time frame. However, once we lost $60,000, we saw a heavy dump right inside this strong support. And you remember, before we came to this level, to the dollar, that we hit the lower line, and also on the 24th of February, Russia-Ukraine issue, we came right inside this strong support and we DCA'd from this level. And the exit level was at around $48,000 and $50,000, which we had a strong support in this area. So from the dump, we saw massive 45% nearly dump in the market. Also, with a pump, the second time when we came and we held this level, we saw another 40% pump, which is a huge pump in the market. So as soon as we exited based on a lower time frame and higher time frame exit was $48,000. However, based on a mid time frame, 45,500 level was for conservative traders. And we saw in the first place to this level, without getting an exit signal based on a mid time frame for the swing traders, we saw 45% dump in the market. With the current price action still, without getting an exit signal, we're down by 33%. So the levels are clear. Without claiming strong support, it is not going to be ideal to talk about the bullish scenario based on a daily time frame. Moving on to the 4-hour time frame. Before we move on to further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market. And it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Based on a 4-hour time frame from the last video, that we expected to get a rejection right from here to come and to test all the way to the point of control. However, it didn't happen, and as soon as we claimed this level, value area high, as well as the important level of Fibonacci, which I mentioned based on a lower time frame, we went all the way up to 32,300 levels. However, we got a rejection that was quite extended, and at the moment that we came back to the value area high. As I mentioned in the last video, that based on a 4-hour time frame, we're getting a bullish signal. However, it is weak. And breaking the value area high, we had a proper bullish signal. However, as you can see, we got stuck in here about 2 days, 8 hours, and we're getting a bit mixed signals. And 4-hour time frame, bullish signal getting quite weak again. So if we can manage to hold this level, $30,000, $30,300, and we can talk about claiming the value area high back again, we have to look at the same time the lower time frame levels. And we need to get a confirmation based on a lower time frame once we claim the value area high. But important resistance levels based on a 4-hour time frame in order to close our short setup. But as you remember, 45,500 was an exit or short setup for the conservative traders. However, since we lost $45,500, we didn't have an exit signal, and we saw, as I mentioned earlier on, 45% dump in the market. With the current price action, still, we don't have an exit signal, 33%, and the profit is already secured over 25% profit. However, in order to see the trend change, we have to break and stay above $32,000, $34,000. Without claiming those levels, it is going to be early to talk about the bullish scenario, and we might get a fake out or deviation based on a mid time frame. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame, as soon as we broke 29,500 level, 2-hour time frame started flashing a bullish setup. However, as I mentioned, and there is a chance that we might get a fake out, and therefore I was talking about to wait about to break the serious mid time frame resistance levels. The important support level is going to be $30,300. $30,000 are going to be extremely important in order for us to test and then to hold this level. And we might see a little bit of consolidation, and we will see how we're going to react to the value area high once that's going to become as a resistance. In this episode, I'm not going to touch 1-hour time frame, and you've got clear levels based on a 2-hour as well as 4-hour and higher time frame daily levels. However, I'm not paying too much attention at this stage on a daily time frame resistance levels. And the support levels also extremely important. Play level to level. We came to an end of this episode. And if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.